Welcome back again Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Today we are discussing Liquid Chain blockchain. This is the main website of Liquid Chain, first L1 blockchain enabling on-chain liquidity and mining. When you click on light paper, this is the light paper. You can read all detail about the project on this light paper, and these are other products. Cross chain bridge. When you click on cross chain bridge, this is the page of cross chain bridge. You can connect your wallet and can use it. And the second product is Token Locker and Exchange. They will launch their desk, and this is the page of desk. You can swap any asset on this. When you click on developers, this is the GitHub page. You can follow and can know more about their features. And this is the Explorer. As I showed you, this is the Explorer page. You can watch all transaction history here. What is Liquid Chain? Liquid Chain is an EVM specially designed for yield farming, powered by proof of authenticity consensus. The network is built for DeFi, Dagons and builders. You can create smart contract, DeFi, NFT, games, or whatever you want on Liquid Chain. Its token ticker is XLC. When you click on Explorer, as you can see here, mainnet and testnet. Its mainnet is already launched and its pre-sale second round is ongoing. You can purchase their tokens. Proof of authority consensus algorithm. Liquid Chain utilizes proof of authority POA consensus algorithm to ensure better power, efficiency, scalability, and security than proof of work. And these are the key features of their blockchain. First is faster, near instant transaction with 5-second block time, cheaper as 1 GB transaction fee. 2000 TPS can process up to 2000 TX per second. Energy efficient blockchain consuming low power. EVM compatibility. Build, move, create and deploy decentralized applications and smart contracts on Liquid Chain. Is move and fork your favorite tabs of Ethereum and BSC to Liquid Chain. Developer can join this grant program by clicking on this button. And these are the products: smart economy, liquidity. Purpose of Liquid Chain is to make the most liquid ecosystem in the blockchain industry. As I show you their desk, trade your favorite asset on desk platform. You can also trade your NFTs and mint them on Liquid Chain blockchain. One chain yield. As I told you, its token ticker is XLC. Earn XLC by providing on-chain liquidity and staking on Liquid Chain. And this is the custom RPC for MetaMask. You can add it into your MetaMask. And this is the detail of mainnet configuration. Maximum supply, blocked reward, block time 5 seconds, base fee 1 GB. And this is the roadmap detail. Phase 1, phase 2. Phase 1 initial launch, seed sale round, blockchain development, testnet launch, pre-sale round, and mainnet genesis. And the phase 2 mainnet launch, DEX live on mainnet, liquidity mining live, XLC staking starts, Explorer Volume 2 launch, partnership and grant program. And these are the social links of Liquid Chain. You can also follow them. Pages where you can read and can get help. This is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Its bounty is also live. You can join this bounty. Goodbye.